Hello friends, I'm Sujata. Once again, welcome back to my channel. The topic that I'm discussing is popular green rose varieties. Some of the favorite and best and beautiful green rose varieties. Green rose varieties featured in this post: green tea, Mayra green, Jade, super green, lemonade. Green tea, a yummy pale green variety with larger, classically structured blooms. This variety mixes with other colors and flowers and is perfect for any type of arrangement. Maria's Green. Maria's Green is beautifully ruffled green garden rose variety from the Mara's collection. This variety has a creamy color with light blush centers and greener outer petals. This variety brings a gorgeous, romantic but natural look to any design. Jade is a lemony lime colored green rose variety that has compact blooms with distinctive angular petals. This variety is perfect for summer and pairs well brighter complementary flowers and berries color hues. Super green. Super green's name speaks for itself as this is the greenest variety featured this week. Super green is sturdy rose with unique bushy blooms, make it great for structured work and filling space, but it is also highlight on its own. Lemonade. Lemonade is one of our green cabbage headed rose varieties. Lemonade is lovely green color with large sturdy head, making it great for centerpieces and filling space in any arrangement. This variety also has a long ways life and we love those roughly green patterns. So friends, this is all about the topic. Hope you like the video. If you like it, then press the like button, share and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Thank you.